We have two options available. Our own pre-sewn yoga mat straps. No muss, no fuss. You order it, you put it on your mat, and away you go. Or a kit. Now here's what you get with the kit. You get enough webbing to put your strap together, and of course, you get your selection of two pieces of hardware. This happens to be our 1.5 inch powder coated candy apple red, matches up well with this pattern, and then of course you get the appropriate length webbing so that when you sew it together, it's as we demonstrated earlier. So, here we go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, whether we're making it or whether you're making it, of course, is to feed it through that O-ring. And what we like to do is what we call a fold under, and then we're going to stitch in this orientation. That gives you a nice smooth edge on the back side here, not a sharp edge that you would have if you just folded over the webbing. Okay, we're very lucky because we have these automatic machines. They just clamp down, and that's it, that's done. But you'll notice that it comes short of the edges. This is a 1,000-pound breaking strength stitch. It will hold everything together, but you've got a nice smooth edge here, and you have no webbing on the edge to be cut through abrasion or what have you. This is really ready to go. So now we have both the ends sewn, and in order to make something that will actually hold the yoga mat, you get to push the webbing right through the O-ring and create a loop. You do that on both ends. Over your shoulder, and you're good to go. Really attractive webbing, nice colorful hardware, professional stitching. What more could you ask for? Strapworks.com, yoga mat straps.